Hare Krishna, welcome to Radharani's kitchen. Today I am here with a very quick and simple recipe of carob mark cake. It is very soft, spongy and moist and requires just 2 minutes to cook. So let's get started with the recipe. In a bowl, take 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of carob powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Now mix these dry ingredients nicely. In another bowl, take 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of refined oil, 1 tablespoon water and mix them nicely. Take the dry ingredients and stir in the wet ingredients to it. Though this is called a mark cake, I'll show you in a bowl and a paper cup as well. Grease them with oil. And fill them with batter at the max up to 3/4. Place the marks on the microwave and set the timer to 2 minutes. Two minutes are over and let's check the cakes now. You can see they have been completely cooked. Take them out and let them cool down little if you want to unmold them. You can see here the cake has left the sides. I will unmold this one. And our cakes are ready to be offered to the Lord. Place a tulsi leaf and offer bhoga. See how spongy the cake is and how soft and moist it is. Prepare it for the pleasure of the Lord, offer and dig into it. Hare Krishna.